This is just a second position song for us. It's extended, and that's our big practice. We want to play our open C and find a second finger C on the G string. If you center your hand and make sure it's not like this, we'll move that across, and we're going to start, and we're going to play this with the second finger. What note is that? F natural. 2, 4 to G. That's the first challenge. Notice my second, fourth finger, my second through fourth fingers are still on the C string, excuse me. Not that. Keep your hand in position, always. Then we do the same thing, so we 2, 4, and first finger on the G string, B flat, F, G, B flat. Second finger now moves over to the G string on a C natural. So we just do those two tricks back to back. 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2. Do that again. One more time. From the F, F, G, B flat, C, D, F. Next thing is kind of the same. Okay, so I'm just making the song up right here on the spot. I think the best choice is second finger A, our second finger G, excuse me, that's the second position. G, A, G, F. Fourth finger to the D, second finger to the F. That'll be the end of it. Second finger G, F, D, F. Second finger G, G, A, G, F, C, D, C, F. Sorry. 2, 4, 2, 1, 4, 2. Whole song so far. That's the first part. 2, 4, 1, 2, 2, 4, 1. That may be enough for you to work on just for today. When you feel like you got it, keep your fingers on this C string, then move the whole hand to the G string. We'll do the song now. 2, 4, 1, 2, 1, 4, 2. Again. 2, 4, 2, 1, 4, 2. 2, 4, 2, 1, 4, 2. Sounds hard, sounds rough. You're pressing too hard. Let the cello breathe. Extended hand position and pulling is very difficult, so don't make it sound difficult with this arm. Don't put pressure into this. Only put pulling power into your left hand and let this bow sing. Okay, happy practicing.